to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Nicole, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this beautiful wig from Beauty Forever. This is their beautiful ginger wig. This came pre-colored. It is 180 density and is 22 inches. So I can't remember exactly what the texture of the curls are, but it is of course curly, as you guys can see. So it is really cute. Love it. Getting into the details of the wig, it is a 13 by 4, so it means the part in space just isn't right here. It isn't all the way across. It just stops like right here and it comes in. So it's really supposed to be a middle part, but I want the side part. And she's giving it's cute. With shedding and tangling. Little tangle, little nags. But I didn't get any shedding. Just pull. I got one on this side. Just one little strand. You can't even see it on camera. Just one little strand. So, no shedding, and that's good because some wigs right at the box be shedding like a dog. And this isn't at all. So, the curls are really cute. The way I got it like this is that I used some water and some mousse, and then I also used this by Mayel. This is actually like some twisting cream, but I wanted to see how I got my curls, and they are gorgeous. Here you can see them. It's like super cute. I really do love it. I wasn't sure about this color at first. Like when I first put it on, I was like, oh. But you're gonna see that in the when I put the wig on, because this is actually like 2 days later of me like getting used to the wig, so I come on camera and show y'all like how I actually like how I'm feeling it. I don't know, it's just something with my skin color, I think, because my skin color is kind of like olive-y. Just I don't know, but I'm just warming up for the wig and feeling this color because I haven't had orange hair since like 2018, because I said I did not like it on me. Well, I wouldn't say orange, ginger color, because I've had an orange wig and it was like totally different, but I haven't had ginger on me since 2018, so it's definitely different. But I think I can get used to it. Definitely, she's really cute. I love the density. Like I said, it is 180, so it is very, it's not very thick, but she's thick. Like she's thick, which is really cute, because I don't like when curly wigs just aren't as thick as they like the potential should be there for them, but she definitely gives that potential, so I love it so much. So that's pretty much all about this wig. I highly recommend this wig if you want to try something new. It's still winter time, so I think this could still be a summer wig too, so don't get me wrong, but I think this is a great fall winter wig, and she's not too long either if you wanted something that's kind of short and kind of compact. Yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, comment down below and I'll answer them. And yeah, on to the try on.